Welcome to JT Wayne College. Hey everyone, I'm glad you're here. Today we're diving into something exciting, artificial intelligence, or simply AI. For the next 10 minutes, we're going to talk about the basics of AI, what it is, how it works, and why it's becoming such a big part of our world. So first, what is AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence, which means the ability of a computer or machine to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Things like recognizing voices, solving problems, learning patterns, or even understanding language, that's AI at work. You've probably seen AI in action without realizing it. From voice assistants like Siri or Alexa to smart recommendations on YouTube or Netflix. These systems learn from data, just like we learn from experience. Over the next few minutes, we'll go over how AI learns, what it's used for, and how it's shaping the future, from self-driving cars to creative tools like ChatGPT. So get ready, take some notes, and let's explore the world of AI together right here at JT Wayne College, where learning meets the future. So, now that we know what AI means, artificial intelligence, let's talk about how it actually works. AI is built on something called data. Think of data like the food that AI eats. The more data it has, the smarter it becomes. For example, if we wanted to train an AI to recognize pictures of dogs, we'd show it thousands, even millions, of dog photos. Over time, the AI learns what features make a dog. The shape of the ears, the fur texture, the nose, and so on. That learning process happens through what we call machine learning, a branch of AI that allows systems to learn and improve from experience automatically, without being told exactly what to do. Here's a simple breakdown of how it works. Input. The AI receives information, like pictures, text, or voice. Processing. It uses algorithms, basically step-by-step instructions, to analyze that information. Output. It gives us a result, like identifying a picture, answering a question, or recommending a song. Feedback. The AI checks if it was right or wrong, then learns from that result to do better next time. That's why AI keeps improving. It's constantly learning, adjusting, and growing smarter. Now, there are different types of AI too. Narrow AI, focused on one task, like playing chess or translating languages. General AI, more like human intelligence, being able to learn and think about many things. We're not there yet, but that's the dream. Super AI, that's the futuristic level, smarter than humans. Movies love this one, but we're still far from it. Here's the cool part. AI isn't just for tech companies or scientists. It's everywhere, in phones, cars, hospitals, schools, and even music production. Next, we'll talk about how AI is used in everyday life and how you can start learning to build your own simple AI tools. Now that you understand how AI learns, let's look at how it shows up in everyday life and how you can start learning it for yourself. Artificial intelligence is all around us, even when we don't notice it. When you unlock your phone using facial recognition, that's AI. When Netflix suggests what to watch next, or when your car helps you stay in your lane, that's AI too. It's quietly working behind the scenes, making life a little easier, faster, and smarter. Here are a few simple examples. Phones. Voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant use AI to understand your voice. Shopping. Online stores use AI to suggest products you might like. Healthcare. Doctors use AI to help detect diseases early. Transportation. Self-driving cars use AI to see the road and make decisions. Education. Some schools use AI tutors that personalize lessons based on how you learn. Pretty amazing, right? Now, let's talk about how to start learning AI. Don't worry, you don't have to be a tech genius. You just need curiosity and a desire to learn. Here's a simple roadmap. Start with the basics. Learn what algorithms and data are. Websites like YouTube or free courses online can help. Play with simple AI tools. You can try things like ChatGPT or image generators to see AI in action. Take beginner coding lessons. Languages like Python are great for beginners and are used heavily in AI. Experiment. Try building small projects like an AI that answers questions or recognizes photos. Keep learning. AI is always growing, so stay curious and keep exploring. The key is to start small and stay consistent. AI isn't just the future, it's the present. And by learning it, You're preparing yourself for some of the most exciting opportunities in the world today. When people hear AI, they often think it's something brand new, but the truth is AI has been around as an idea for a long time. The dream of creating a machine that can think like a human started decades ago, even before computers were what they are today. Let's break it down from the beginning. Brain, the origins of AI. The roots of AI go all the way back to the 1940s and 1950s. During that time, scientists and mathematicians started wondering, can a machine think? One of the first people to ask that question seriously was Alan Turing, a British mathematician. He created something called the Turing test, a way to see if a machine could think well enough to fool a human into believing it was another person. That was one of the first major ideas that helped shape AI. By the 1950s and 60s, computer scientists started building simple programs that could solve math problems or play games like chess. Those were the earliest forms of artificial intelligence. They weren't powerful, but they showed that computers could learn patterns. In the 1980s, AI started growing again with something called neural networks, computer systems designed to mimic how the human brain works. That idea changed everything because now computers could start recognizing patterns, images, and sounds in a way that felt more human-like. Then, in the 2000s and 2010s, we got machine learning and deep learning, which allowed AI to learn from massive amounts of data. That's when AI really started taking off, powering voice assistants, social media recommendations, and self-driving cars. Today, in the 2020s, AI is everywhere, from chatbots like me to art generators, robots, and advanced data analysis tools. It's not just science fiction anymore. It's part of daily life. Here, the basics of how AI works. To understand AI, simply think of it like this. AI learns from data. The more examples you give it, the smarter it becomes. It uses algorithms. Algorithms are like the rules or instructions the AI follows to find patterns or make decisions. It improves over time. AI can test, fail, and learn again just like humans do. That's the heart of AI. Learning, adapting, and improving. So, to sum it up, AI began as an idea, became an experiment, and is now one of the biggest forces shaping our future. Next, we'll dive into how AI is used today, in business, education, entertainment, and everyday life.